What is up, everybody? It's been a minute, but we're back with another pair of Lowheat. In 2023, it's kind of weird that Jordan 1 highs are Lowheat, but that's just the way things are now. And that's a good thing for those who want to cop these sneakers. I'm here for it. I don't make a living off reselling shoes, so I don't mind that these aren't worth what they used to be. It's nice when you can actually get a pair that you want. So yeah, I'm down for it. What do we got here? We have the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in University Blue, Black, and White. Size 11.5, that's my size. Jordan 1s are true to size. And these, as you already know from the title, the thumbnail, and this specially colored box, are the UNC Toe Jordan 1s. I hit off the sneakers app on release day, and I don't quite understand anymore. Apparently, as I understand it, when the clock turns to the release time, 7 a.m. Pacific over here. We got to wake up early for this crap. Shouts to all you East Coasters who can live a normal life and sign up for a drop at 10 a.m. Here, I got to set an alarm out here. But anyways, back on track. So when it rolls over and you see the price and you can enter on the app to buy it, purchase it, click all the buttons, apparently that enters you into a queue and a pseudo draw, a pseudo lottery. So I don't understand the difference between that style of release, where it's just like, it appears to be first come, first serve, versus enter the draw now ones, where that last a 10-minute window for your really your hyper ultra rare releases like Travis Scott collaborations. Maybe it's a certain different type of lottery, a different type of queue. Maybe separate technologies and servers are being used, separate bot protection. I'm not sure, but it appears that nowadays in 2023, once you enter in your info, confirm your order, etc., and then you're put into this queue, and it says sorting through bots, sorting through confirming orders, etc., confirming amounts. That's like a mini lottery and draw itself. Anyways, I always question whether it works. I don't often hit, but with these, I woke up, I turned off my phone or put it to sleep and woke up to the got 'em screen. So I was pleasantly surprised. All right, enough of that. Before we unbox, plug for the channel, please subscribe. It takes a second. It's free. I'd appreciate it. I don't have 10,000 subscribers, so everyone I notice. Every person that subscribes, I notice, and I appreciate it. For anyone legit checking, here's the inside of the box. I did get these from Sneakers, as I said. It's not all pairs, I think, have stamps, but a lot of them do. You got lid sizes here on the inside. Anyways, logos, swoosh, and the checkmark logo there. And here, let's see, no special paper. And here they are. The 5th iteration of the University of North Carolina colorway on a pair of Jordan 1s. I'm spoiling the initial appraisal and taking these in. It's a clean shoe. It's very, very nice Jordan 1. Very, very nice. Stock black laces. Comes with an extra pair. Ooh, I like that. I like the powder blue extra pair of laces. If I end up keeping these are the ones that I'm lacing up. So yeah, there's been a number of UNC colorway Jordan 1s in the past. I think at one point I had the Obsidian Jordan 1s. I think those had a hit of navy blue in them, maybe. I don't know. I bought those for resale, and I wore them a handful of times and then sold them for, I think, almost as much as I bought them for back when everything was hype. Jordan 1s were hype. They had the kind of the Chicago color blocking UNC Jordan 1 that came out a year ago. I missed out on those. Those ones I think are the ones I prefer, that I like the most. I like that style of color blocking. This one is like more, you know, a third white, a third black, and a third UNC blue, kind of a even distribution amongst the colors. And I like them fine, but I think I just prefer that all over UNC powder blue Chicago style color blocking the most. I don't have many Jordan 1s in the toe color blocking scheme where the color on the heel matches the color on the toe and the outsole, and the mid panels and the mudguard are different color, are white. The mid panel's white and the mudguard's black. I don't have many Jordan 1s with this color blocking pattern. Like, I don't have the taxi yellow ones. I did a review on those, but those were a gift to my brother. I don't have like the green toe or the purple toe ones. I just don't have a ton in this styling. I would like what is it, the black toes when they come out, but that color blocking, the black toe, that's a white panel here, and then the red here and the red on the bottom. So that's slightly different. And same with like the black red Jordan 1s, that color blocking is a little different. I don't have many in this, and even though this is kind of symmetrically balanced with the toe here, it's just something about this not being an OG color blocking that always just, it's like 1% off to me why I don't gravitate to them. I really like the Chicago style, or I like the nostalgia and the original versions of like the black toe or the black and red color patterning. So a little quality control issue right here on the mid panel. You got some crushed leather, unfortunately. So right there, I don't know if these would pass StockX. I would probably have to sell these in person to a sneaker shop. They might knock some dollars off. If I sold them person to person, I would want to be upstanding and point that out. If they examined them first, if it was a hand-to-hand deal, like, they would probably notice that. So if anything, I'm going to have to return these to Nike if I don't want to keep them, probably. So that's... And if you've watched any of my videos, I'm not usually a stickler on quality control. Like, if there's a little glue here, glue stain there, I don't get bent out of shape. Some extra threads here and there, it doesn't bother me too much. I will say that's probably where I draw the line. I don't enjoy that. I'm not looking forward to that. And I'm not disregarding that. For the most part, like, it is what it is. But, yeah, that's unfortunate. But I'm not bent out of shape. Some people would be like freaking out right now at that. Like, that's not me. And also here, look at this mid panel. Kind of the leather's crushed a little bit too. Weird. What happened to this batch? Like, over steamed. It's a little wrinkled. I could return these to Nike, pointing out this. For sure, get my money back. I do like these though. And that brings me to my next point, is that this is the rare pair of Jordan 1s recently, in the last year, that's actually reselling for a little over. Not crazy. So these retail for $180 here in the US. I think on StockX and stuff, most sizes are going for a little over $200. I think this pair, is going for like $220. Highest bid's like $214. Lowest sell price is $220, $225. Taxes, fees, shipping, you're probably paying higher 200s, $275. So this is kind of the rare pair of Jordan 1s that is reselling for a little. Now, if you're going to sell them for, like, if I click sell now at $214, like, I don't even know if I'm making back my money. So no one's making money on these, but these aren't sitting. These are sold out. So I guess that's the difference. These are all sold out. You have to get them on the secondary market. So yeah, like, it doesn't behoove me. I'm not losing much money on returning these to Nike if that's what I choose to do with them, because reselling, I wouldn't make anything. Plus, I'd have the hassle of having to point out these mid panels to everyone I was trying to sell it. Either get it by StockX or GOAT or whatever, or like point it out in pictures on eBay or Facebook or in person, and then people are going to try to like, oh, I want to pay, $30 less. Whatever. Here's the insole. It's old. Yeah, there we go. UNC blue there. If you don't know, I think most people do, but maybe some younger people don't. The UNC colorway is big amongst Jordans because that's where Michael Jordan went to school, was the University of North Carolina, the Tar Heels. So there's always a variety of powder blue colored apparel and Jordan shoes. Almost every release has a version with the UNC colorway, and like I said, this is like the sixth iteration using this color palette. I like them. I like that they did it in a separate box. That's cool. That's dope. I'd love to know people who watch my videos, their take on Jordan 1s right now currently. I still like them, but just like it's going to take a lot for me to get one. Like I'm looking, what am I looking at recently to get? I'm looking to get the black toe Jordan 1 lows, even though that's not a true like OG Jordan 1 low. It's the next closest thing to owning a black toe I can do. So I'm going to get those. I like Jordan 1 lows. I'm looking for those. I'm going to look to get the Union Los Angeles Jordan 1 collab, the like footscape woven Jordan 1s in neutral gray. I'm going to look to get those. And then beyond that, really just, I guess, the black toe that's coming out in I think later this year, 2024. The OG retro, I think I'm looking to get. And beyond that, I'm not really looking to score many Jordan 1s. I just have so many. I just got that washed gray pair. Check out that unboxing video. I just have so many. I got the lucky green pair. Those are cheap. Go check out that unboxing video. Those are slept on. Definitely slept on Jordan 1. Go check out that video. I really like those, and those are very affordable. The washed pink keep restocking. They're a women's shoe though, and they don't go up to my size, unfortunately. Same with the Laney Jordan 1 high in that blue and yellow colorway. They keep going on sale, but those are also a women's release. Don't go up to my size except in a couple retailers. I think Shoe Palace had them in bigger sizes, but they're all sold out in those sizes. But yeah, I would love to know your thoughts on the Jordan 1 high. Definitely has lost some steam as of late. I still like them. They're a great shoe. I'll always wear them. As I get older, I'm like most everyone. I'm graduating into more comfort than fashion. So I like runners. I like different trainers that are comfortable on foot. And that's also kind of where the style trend is, conveniently. That being said, I don't think Jordan 1s are that uncomfortable. They're not great for like all day walking, for sure, but these are great to slip on. In my opinion, these are one of the more comfortable high tops, are Jordan 1 highs. Way more comfortable than like a Jordan 4 or 3, in my opinion. So even as I get into my later adulthood, more mature adulthood phase for footwear and pick comfort over style, Jordan 1s will still be in the rotation because I do feel like they're comfortable houses for my feet. They're nice and spacious. The flat, flexible sole is very flexible, so they're great for casual use. No 8-mile treks across the city probably, or days at Disney in these anymore for me, but I still love them. What I've been wearing lately, I've been wearing these a ton lately. These have been my summer shoe of choice. Speaking of like comfortable but not comfortable shoes, Nike SB Dunk Low in white with the gum bottoms. Check my unboxing video of these. These keep restocking at places. It looks like they're making these to be just perennially restocked, be a standard shoe that people can get if they want, and I really like it. Goes with pretty much everything. Great summer shoe. Again, maybe not an all-day walker or an all-day standing shoe, but great for just running out of the house to do errands, grab lunch, grab breakfast, go to the mall, do whatever you got to do, night out, maybe go to work in if you're not standing all day at work. This has been one of my go-to summer shoes, summer sneakers that aren't runners. So yeah, these, I really like them. The crunchy mid panels, it looks like on the inner side they're not as bad. It's just the outer. The crunchy mid panels might get me to keep these. I like these. If I was going to keep a pair of Jordan 1, I mean, it takes a lot for me to buy them even. And this is like a no-brainer to get. Now, whether I keep them, that was the question. I really like them. I do like the blue outsole. I didn't show that off yet. I sometimes fail to show off all parts of the sneaker. Such a noob YouTuber. Anyways, great, you know, matching Nike Air tag on the nylon tongue. Embossed Wings logo there. Just a solid Jordan 1. I don't know if this gets an 8 out of 10 for me. I think the, like I said, the UNC, where it was like all over UNC, is in the Chicago style color blocking, and it was very little black. I think it was just the swoosh. I think that would have got from me an 8.25, maybe even an 8.5. These, I don't think these get like an 8. I think this gets like a 7.75 from me. Really good shoe. But yeah, that's where we stand on these. A 7.75. TBD on if we keep these bad boys or not. There's a lot of shoes that I want, a lot of clothes that I want, and just part of me thinks like I should just trade in all these like mid to low heat if I can get money for them, retail money back, maybe a little more, maybe a little less, and just get some big ticket items, you know, a gallery department vest, a Louis Vuitton bag, maybe double up on some double up or get cop a pair of expensive high heat sneakers that I've missed out on or think that are like, you know, maybe I double up on the Travis Scott Travis Scott lows, the olive ones. Maybe I get a second pair since those seem to be the cheapest. I don't know. Part of me thinks I should do that. But we'll see here. Let me know in the comments what you think about these. I'm going for the Vomeros tomorrow. The glow-in-the-dark, all-white premium ones, hits of black. I'm going for those tomorrow. We'll see if I'm able to hit and if I'm going to do an unboxing video of those soon. So stay tuned. More unboxings coming up. Just a little bit more sparse. Being a little bit pickier with what I cop and stuff. So thanks for sticking with me. Thanks to all the new viewers. Peace.